Dear friends, this indiscriminate use of RO purifiers has become rampant in the most popular cities, especially in the mega cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai and so on. Actually speaking, we drink on an average about 3 to 4 liters of drinking water, but hardly we pay attention to the safety of the drinking water. So, may I know any one of you at any point of time looked at what purifier you are using in your house? It is just not sufficient. Just because I paid about 50,000 rupees or 30,000 rupees or much more, so my water filter is safe, healthy and clean. That is not so. Because what is happening is, we are encountering, in fact, the people who are consuming this RO purified water have been suffering from various disorders like cardiovascular, muscular related problems, acidity, gastrointestinal problems, kidney disorders, fatigue, weakness, tiredness, headache and so on. But at no point of time, neither we as citizens of the country nor the doctors suspected it could be RO, rather RO purified water. So, my whole intention is to educate the educated elite of the various cities about the harmful effects of drinking RO purified water, and at the same time I want to give a solution to that effect. So, it becomes our responsibility to use right water purifiers depending upon what is our public water supply system. For example, in Bangalore, we have Kaveri water, most of us. In spite of that, many of our friends are using the RO purified system. But what happens is, if you look at the TDS of Kaveri water, it is around 150 to 200 range, and it has all the essential energy minerals, trace elements and electrolytes. And if such water is processed through RO purifier, so these entire energy minerals, electrolytes, all unwanted material drained into the sink. That means we are losing, and only pure water we are getting out of RO water purifier, and that pure water we are drinking. That means we are drinking almost a TDS of about less than 20 or sometimes less than even 10, so which has no energy minerals. Quite often this is referred as dead water because this RO purifier does not deliver the water that contains sufficient quantity of calcium, magnesium and so on. So, in the subsequent videos, I will be demonstrating the easy way of measuring the TDS of whatever raw water and purifier we are using, and also the measurement of pH, and also I will be talking about what are the consequences of taking the supplements, because many of the people tell that okay, RO does not have any minerals, but we can always take calcium supplements, mineral supplements and all that. So, there is a lot of disadvantages associated with it. We will discuss it in future videos, how to use the right water purifiers because many of the households are mixing the Kaveri water and borewell water. In such scenario, what is the purifier? There are very fine details we have to get into that, so that our ultimate aim is we should drink the whatever water without losing energy minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium and various other trace elements. Okay. Thank you.